Hello viewers, on today's video I'm going to show you how to replace the AC condenser on this 2014 Chevy Malibu. Before you do this, you're going to have to take the vehicle to the shop to evacuate the system, alright? You can't do it in the atmosphere. You have to take the vehicle to the shop. They have equipment like this to evacuate the system before you replace it. So let's recover the refrigerant out of the system. It's leaking on the driver side of the condenser. So we're covering the old freon out of it, and when we're done, we're gonna recharge it. So I strongly suggest you take the vehicle to a shop once again to evacuate the system. You can replace your condenser and bring it back to the shop to recharge it. Alright? So in the meantime, we're gonna remove the front bumper here. Those are 15 screws right there, and there are a few screws on this side here on both sides of the bumper. Alright, it's 15 screws. We're gonna remove all of them here. Alright, here they are, and it is loose. Alright, we're on the passenger side of the vehicle. We're gonna remove those screws here, those T15. And now we're gonna pop it off. There is a 7mm bolt right here. Screws, I should say. 7mm screws you need to remove. This on both sides of the vehicle, passenger side and driver side. Here we covered 0.58 kilograms. We are under the vehicle. You're gonna pop this push pin here. Take those 7mm off, right? And you do the same thing on the other side. Those 7mm off and push pin that attach the bumper to the body, to the frame. All right. Let's take them off, and that bumper will be free. And don't forget those bolts here too. Although it's missing on the other side, but take those bolts here. All right. That's our loop right there. It's the bottom left. And the bumper is pretty much loose now. Let's take it off. Let's take the bumper off this here.
Is it already ready to pop out?
Yep, ready to come out, man. There should be a big connector on one side. You need to unplug, alright? We have the bumper off here. So when you take the bumper off, make sure you unplug your fog light on both sides. And that sensor here, that's your ambient temperature sensor that need to be unplugged. Now we're looking at our condenser right there. As you see, it's leaking. Let's go, baby. We need to remove all those things here. Pop those push pin off, and take the line out 30mm. Yeah, and the condenser will just go up, slide up to be removed. All right, you're gonna need this to pop them off. There it is. Now what we're gonna do is pop those 10mm off all around to take that black thing off. Alright. Off. Now let's take out those 30mm bolt nut that hold the condenser line in place. Alright, make sure you get new seals when you get the condenser. Alright. The line. Let's do the bottom one now. And don't forget to unplug your sensor here. There it is. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna pop the condenser out. We're gonna push this tab here, and we're gonna pick up on the condenser at the bottom, right? And you're gonna do the same thing on this side. You're gonna push down and pick up on the condenser. It will slide up, come out. It'll come out from the top, all right, from the bottom to top. That's where it's gonna go. All right, there it is. Here is the new one. We're gonna slide it down here. Make sure all those tabs, all those ears sit on the support there. All right, we got the condenser end. There you go. There you go. Now we're gonna put the line in. Make sure you get your O-rings. Alright. We're gonna put them in your new on your lines. That's your new O-ring. Let's slide it in. There you go. Do the same thing for that one. Remember to plug in your connector. Good. We got this in, both lines in. We're gonna charge the system. Alright, we are 124. And that's it, guys. That's pretty much it. All you gotta do after you recharge it, put your bumper back in and check for leaks. If you have the machine, like I said, it's just better suited. Let the professionals evacuate the system, then you can take the vehicle home and replace it if you DIY. Alright, and that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.